Step into the 2010 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 90,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.